Welcome back. In this lesson, that name of the lesson is The Call of the Soil, a Scent of Rice. A scent of rice. The first year I was late for the rice showing season and had resort for going to GR for variety that was short term and recommended by the agriculture office at Kasbad. The next year we decided that would start early and try to find some good traditional variety of rice to grow. We had read about traditional variety of rice and knew that they did not require very high input of fertilizers. This variety was also quite strong and resisted pest. We were sure that it was this type of rice that would grow well in our farm where we did not use any chemical at all. Our previous year's experience that low yield had taught us a lesson, and we were sure we would not plant hybrid this year. Writer was late in showing that particularly rice in this season, so that's why he was still recommended an agriculture officer to the about which particular variety of the rice should I use at the officer in Kosbat. The next day we decided that early find out the good traditional variety of the rice to grow. In that next year he planned that the next year we will be good variety of the rice we found for the planting of rice. This is what they have to be planned about the requirement of the rice, and he planned that variety of the rice also. So this variety were quite strong and resisted pest, means there are no some kind of the pest is required for that variety of, and he sure that this type of the grow well in our farm where did not use any chemical at all, and whatever they suggested that their farmers, and he planted that rice there is no use any such kind of the chemicals at all. And the previous years also experience to the writer had, and low yield had taught us, but lesson was he would be a good kind of the particularly he grown the rice, and he has never used any such kind of the hybrid variety in this year in Marathi. पहिल्या वर्षी भाताचे पीक गेल्या हंगामासाठी उशिरा झाला, त्यामुळे कोसबाड ऑफिसरांनी सुचवल्याप्रमाणे GR4 या जातीचा अल्पकालीन पीक लावण्याशिवाय मला पर्याय नव्हता. पुढच्या वर्षी मात्र लवकर सुरुवात करावी आणि भात पिकवण्यासाठी एकदा चांगल्या पारंपरिक भाताची जात शोधण्याचा प्रयत्न करावा असे आम्ही ठरवले. भाताच्या पारंपरिक जातीविषयी आम्ही वाचले होते आणि त्यांना जास्त प्रमाणात खताची आवश्यकता लागत नाही हे जाणले होते. त्या खूप बळकट प्रकारच्या जाती होत्या आणि कीटकनाशकांना मुकाबला करू शकणाऱ्या होत्या. कोणत्याही प्रकारचे रासायनिक खत आम्ही वापरत नसल्यामुळे आमच्या शेतात अशा प्रकारच्या भाताची चांगले पीक येईल यांची आम्हाला खात्री होती. आमच्या आदल्या वर्षी अनुभव आणि कमी उत्पन्न यातून धडा घेऊन यावर्षी आम्ही संकरित धान्य पेरणार नाही यावर ठाम होतो. In April 2005, we started to look for a good variety of traditional rice. It was one of our neighbor in the village, a businessman from the Mumbai who owned land, who suggested that we plant a local central variety of rice. Most of the farmers in our around the village of Pet had switched over to hybrid. The youngest generation farmer thought I was crazy to ask for the Desi variety, and they called it my regular visit to the village around searching for the good traditional variety, and also did not yield any result, and we were almost giving us hope. In 2005, the writer had to be found a traditional variety of the rice. He visited in one of the neighbors' village, and that became the businessman from the Mumbai, and whose own land was there, and he planted the different variety scented rice in their field. Most of the farmers in the around the village Pet, they switched over to the hybrid, means they are uses that hybrid variety for the good productions. Young generation farmers, they are crazy about the desi variety, they called it. They never use such kind of the desi variety of the rice they planted in the particular their field. And I was visited in that villages in search of the traditional variety of the rice, but I didn't found that, and I almost giving the hope at that moment. 2005च्या एप्रिल वार्षिक पारंपरिक भाताच्या जाती शोधायला आम्ही सुरुवात केली. गावाच्या शेजाऱ्यापैकी एका मुंबईचा उद्योगपती गावात जमीन होती. त्याने तांदळाचा एखाद्या स्थानिक सुवासिक जातीची पेरणी करावी असे आम्हाला सुचवले. पेठेतील आणि आसपासच्या गावातल्या बहुतेक शेतकऱ्यांनी संकरित पिके घेण्यास सुरुवात केली होती. शेतकऱ्यांनी ही तरुण पिढी आम्हाला त्यांच्यामध्ये देशी असलेल्या जातीचा आग्रह धरता पाहून मला विक्षिप्त समजू लागली होती. एखादी चांगली पारंपरिक भाताची जात मिळण्यासाठी आजूबाजूच्या गावात अनेक खेपा मारूनही त्यातून काही निष्पन्न झाले नाही. त्यामुळे आम्ही आमची उमेद जवळपास सोडून दिली होती. I decided to give it one last try. To spoke to the Baban's father and some other elders. After many meaningful conversations, they mentioned the name of the Kasbah. So I finally decided that one of the last try of finding that traditional variety of rice, and directly I went towards the Baban's father and spoke to elder persons about the meaningful conversations, and they suggested that and mentioned that the name of the Kasbah. आणि शेवटचा प्रयत्न करायचं मी ठरवले आणि बबनच्या वडिलांशी आणि इतर जस्ट लोकांशी मी बोललो. बऱ्याच अर्थपूर्ण चर्चेने त्यांनी कसबाई या नावाचा उल्लेख केला. Kasbai is a traditional long grain rice variety which has distinct aroma through much milder than basmati. It is a long duration crop and most of the older people remember growing it years ago, but they all shook their heads and when I asked them about the seed and told me that it had disappeared. So whenever I went to a particular place of Kasbai, at that time the different kind of the variety of the rice they have to be planted their particular district in their field, and but there is the variety of that rice there in that field, the good kind of the aroma milder than the basmati, but it take too long duration of the crops, and most of the older people remember growing in that particular years when they have to be planted the particular traditional rice. But most of the people they shook their heads and told that particular seeds of that traditional rice had disappeared. Means बासमती पेक्षा बराच सौम्य पण की तरीही स्वतःच्या विशिष्ट सुगंध असलेला कसबाई ही एक लांब दाण्याची भाताची जात आहे. हे कालावधीने होणारे पीक आहे. अनेक वर्षापासून त्यांचे पीक घेतले जात असल्याने बऱ्याच ज्येष्ठ व्यक्तींना स्मरत होते, पण ते बियाणे कुठे मिळेल याचा विचार त्या सर्वांनी नकारात्मक मान हलवून ते आता लुप्त झाले असे सांगितले. सो whenever they visited in most of the district, they found the one good traditional long grain rice. The variety name is कसबाई. कसबाई एक अत्यंत चांगल्या पद्धतीचा तांदूळ होता. त्यांची जी तांदूळची लांब साईज होती आणि दीर्घकालानंतर तो पीक तिथून घेता येत असायचा. नेक्स्ट, द टेल ऑफ कसबाई मेड अस मोर डिटरमाइंड टू गेट इट. We decided that if we did not manage to get some seeds, this would be a great rice to grow. I thought the government may know something about it. A visit to the agriculture office was enlightening. He had not even heard of this rice variety. He said the villagers were taking me for the rice and there was no rice by this name. He rattled off the name of a number of latest hybrid and even offered to give me some of them free of cost for a trial. Cursing myself for wasting time with him, I moved on the next destinations. So whenever I heard about the tale of the Kasbai, so I did we managed to get some seed. Will be a great rice we planted and grow that. I thought I visited the government. They know about something about that Kasbai rice. I visited in agriculture office and was enlightened. Enlightened means greater knowledge and understanding. He did not heard the name and rice variety of rice of Kasbai. He decided to take talking me for a ride, and there was no rice by this name, and they said that there is no particular name by this rice. He rattled off the name and some latest hybrid given me some free of cost for the trial. But I heard cursing, wasting of my times. I moved toward the next destinations. कसबाईबद्दलच्या गोष्टी ऐकून ते मिळवण्यासाठी आमची इच्छा अधिक दूर झाली होती. याचे काही बियाणे मिळण्यास आम्हाला यश मिळाले तर ते पिकवण्यासाठी उत्तम असेल असे आम्ही ठरवले. शासनाकडे याविषयी काही माहिती मिळू शकेल का असे मला वाटले. कृषी अधिकाऱ्यांकडे दिलेली भेट फार माहिती देणारी ठरली. त्याने या भाताचे जातीविषयी ऐकले नव्हते. त्यांच्या मते गावकरी माझी दिशाभूल करीत होते आणि अशा कोणत्याही नावाचा भात प्रकार अस्तित्वात नाही असे त्यांचे म्हणणे होते. त्यांनी बराच वेळ बडबड करून अत्याधुनिक संस्कृत जातीची नावे सांगितली आणि त्यातली काही जाती मोफत नमुन्याबद्दल देण्याची तयारी दर्शवली. त्यांच्याकडे वेळ फुकट झाल्याबद्दल स्वतःच दोष देत मी पुढच्या ठिकाणी जायला निघालो. This time it was the Adivasi Mahamandal at Kasa which buy rice from the Adivasi villages on the behalf of the government. Kasbai did not figure in their file a good indications why people did not grow it anymore. The market itself did not recognize the rice, so if you grew it you would not be able to sell it. However, the officer in charge here had no knowledge of rice and did remember Kasbai being sold to him a few years ago. So he visited in particular place. So there is time to Adivasi Mahamandal at Kasa, which buy some rice in Adivasi village on behalf of the governments. Kasbai did not figure out in their file, means they did not have that particular variety of the rice, and most of the people they indicate they have not grow that the variety of the rice because of they have not sales in that market. That's why they have not be planted that particular variety of the rice. However, the in charge here had not more knowledge about rice and did remember Kasbai being sold him a few years ago. Few years ago they can sell on all these things, but people farmers they not get good kind of amount from that particular rice. That's why they are not planted such varieties in their fields. आता मी शासनाच्या वतीने आदिवासी गावातील तांदूळ खरेदी करणाऱ्या कसा येथील आदिवासी महामंडळाकडे गेलो. त्यांच्या फाईलीमध्ये कसबाई उल्लेख नव्हता. लोक आता त्यांची पीक घेत नाही याचे संकेत होते. बाजारात नाही म्हटल्यानंतर जर पिकवले तरी तुम्ही विकू शकत नाही. मात्र इथल्या प्रमुख ऑफिसर प्रमुखाविषयी अधिक ज्ञान होते आणि काही वर्षापूर्वी कसबाईची खरेदी केली असल्याने त्याला आठवत होते. So let us stop here with that particular passage. Remaining part we will be discuss in another video. So all students must read about and listen carefully about that particular variety of the rice and how Kasbai variety had disappeared in particular and how writer found to search of that Kasbai. We will be seeing in another part of the video. Thank you.